This is a typical fill cup assembly. It comes with hoses and everything. Now I've loosened up the top of this thing so we can kind of take a look inside of it. So inside of here you'll see it looks funny in there. So the way this works is water comes from the fill valve, goes up one of the tubes, spills over inside of here, goes down to a low spot, and then it goes down a tube into the drain valve. The water then goes backwards through the drain valve and rises up, fills up the steam cylinder. In the event that the steam cylinder water level gets up too high, and it actually gets up above this point here, the water would then go backwards through this tube, and then it would spill over and go into another tube, down it, and then out the drain. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.